Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Zimbabwe. So first of all, we need to come on PayPal Zimbabwe's website, and for that you will have to come on this page. For your convenience, I will put the link of it down in the description, so click on that. And once you are on this page, simply in Africa you will find Zimbabwe. So click on it and you will be landed on the PayPal home page. So this is the home page that can be accessible in Zimbabwe. So if you are living in Zimbabwe and want to create a PayPal account, you need this link. Now click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to make sure that Zimbabwe's flag is available here. Now provide your email address and press next on the bottom. On the next page, you will have to follow further on screen instructions in order to successfully set up your PayPal account. So you will have to fill out a form with your personal details, and this way you will be able to easily create your PayPal account from Zimbabwe. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.